Chat man, it's your boy Blanco 2Gs, man. We're back with another video, another banger on the bootcamp episode 2. Today we're getting into how to get started day trading. You feel me? The first episode was how I got into, you feel me, day trading. Next episode is gonna be this episode right now is gonna be basically how to get started, right? So we'll just get straight into it. And the first video is pretty short, pretty blunt. You feel me? I kind of wanted to go over more of like the mentors that I watch and stuff, but that's what we're gonna get into in this video. The first thing you guys really need to get into day trading is definitely a laptop or some type of computer. You know, you could do it on your phone. You could day trade on your phone, but honestly, that shit
Why
is
you get off par?
why you get off ball, because I gotta make you feel me, videos for my Discord. So I gotta record them now and then play them back, edit them and shit. So I gotta hop off the game. I don't got time for the game no more. I ain't gonna lie. It's too
Cousin.
late before I go to bed. Cousin was popping for sure, brother. Another time, yeah. Tomorrow, I ain't gonna lie, I'm on tomorrow for sure. What's up, Bree? All right. Anyway, chat. So what you need first to get started is a computer or laptop. You can't really
Hi,
trade.
cousin.
Oh my god, bro, I'm gonna get mad. Okay, why'd you just leave that account to get on this account and then say cousin again, bro?
You fed, bro.
You fed? What? Okay.
Trying to be undercover.
Let a nigga focus, bro. Let a nigga focus, bro. Dead homies, go play Fortnite. Damn. Or just be quiet and listen, bro. Damn.
Yes, sir.
God damn. All right. Anyways, so first things first, you need a laptop or you need a computer. You feel me? Because you could trade on your phone, but like it's really just this shit is not easy. You feel me? You need to be able to see it on a screen and be able to like look at the charts for. So what goes with that? Computer. That's really all you need. You feel me? Other than that, you don't need money to get started. You don't need none of that. We'll do. We're gonna move straight into showing y'all what I use. What apps I use and shit, what I use to trade, what prop firms. We're gonna get into prop firms. We're gonna get into the mentors that I watched, learning, and what I think y'all should watch. On top of what I'm showing y'all, but like what y'all should watch to get better knowledge. You feel me? To teach your guys selves. You feel me? Because you should always be, you feel me, putting the extra work to, you feel me, whoop-de-woo. So let's just get into this part. We'll start off with TradingView, right? TradingView is the place where you are going to be looking at the charts and, you feel me, trading on. This is like the best area to look at the charts because you can add your indicators. We'll also be getting into indicators. These are the indicators that we have right now. So we have an indicator that tells us fair value gaps of the sessions, right? Highs and lows. And then I also have a indicator that has our sessions and all that good stuff. So TradingView is what we trade on, right? We'll get more into this when we're showing y'all how to actually run these accounts. So when you are going to, let's actually move this over here. All right, chat. So when you guys are feeling like you want to start trading or whoop-de-woo, even if you want to buy an account and signal trade off my Discord, actually I will put my Discord in the comments just in case y'all pop through and you feel me, want to join the Discord. The Discord is $30 a month. I do live coaching, mentoring, live signals, you feel me, giving out free sauce. I mean, like they be eating sauce every day, bro. Especially this week, we were on a run all week. All right. So, anyways, chat. The next thing we'll get into is prop firms. So, prop firms are going to be basically a broker that allows you to. They basically give you a test, and the test is going to be an eval, right? We'll show the evals right here. The eval is basically a test right here. You see, it says profit target for the 25K account. You have to make 1,500 and your drawdown is $1,000. So you can't lose $1,000. And you have to make $1,500. So not hard at all. And then recently they added with Apex, they added end of day trail, and end of day trail is a lot better than intraday trail. So definitely, if you're using Apex, do the end of day trail account. And price says 177, but with the code I'm gonna give you, it's going to only be $30 for the account. And then when you pass the account, you pay $100 for the activation fee, right? You have to get 5 green days, right? 5 trading days that are green. Oh, max accounts. You can have up to 20 accounts. Scaling contracts, all that good stuff. Max drawdown is obviously still $1,000. Say if you make it $1,000 on the account, then your drawdown is going to be that 1,000. Once you lose 1,000, you don't have that drawdown anymore, so your account gets breached. And then you just have to keep a 50% consistency rule, which is not bad at all. And there's no or daily loss limit. Whether the daily loss limit is enforced on your funded account. Okay, so yeah, so they have the 25K account, which you have to make $1,000, can't lose. I mean, you have to make 1,500, can't lose 1,000. And then they have the 50K, which you have to make 3,000 and can't lose 2,000. So with these accounts, basically you pay to get these accounts. When you pass them, then you move to the funded account, pay the $100 to activate it, and then you move to the funded account. And basically any money that you make on this account after 5 days, like 5 green days, 5 trading days that are green, 5 days that you had a good day, a good profit day, then you can request. So basically at the end of the week, if you're trading Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, at Friday, if you just had all green days, you can request a payout. Or if you had Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday green, and then Thursday and Friday were red, then the next week you just have to get 2 more green days, and then you can request a payout. So super green, super easy. So basically you're only paying basically $130 for an account that basically you can request up to like 10K in payout, so you're basically paying $130 to 100x your money. So prop firms are green, chat, and that's what we do. That's what I'm gonna show you guys how to get into and all that good stuff. So what else do we need to go over? How to get in, how to get into this shit. So we went over trading view, we went over funded accounts. I have a Discord chat. We'll go over the Discord. We have a paid Discord that we give live signals, live coaching, like just answer all my live requests in the Discord. Any questions, everybody helps each other out, in the Discord. Overall, like, we're just a profitable Discord, like, it's all green in my Discord and results show. So I can honestly tell y'all that, like, if y'all were to, I mean, like, everyone that's paid for my Discord has made money and it's gonna keep making money, you feel me? Because I'm not like, I don't scam. You feel me? I only pay because I only charge because I don't need niggas wasting my time. You feel me? Time is money at the end of the day. But like, I'm actually putting niggas on, you feel me? Teaching niggas how to do this shit. So if y'all want to get into the Discord, it's linked in you feel me? Pinned in the comments. But other than that, we went over trading view, we went over prop firms. All you need is a laptop to get started. I mean, I have a lot of free content that I post on my Instagram, my YouTube. But if y'all are really trying to just log in, and even if y'all just wanted to take live signals, if y'all wanted to just buy one of these accounts for $30 and just signal off of me in my Discord, it would only be $30 a month. So niggas is charging 5K and they're not even actually profitable, bro. Like, y'all need to wake up and like get active with people that are actually making money and putting people on. But this is the end of this episode. This is all we need to get into day trading. Is you need to know how to get these funded accounts. You need to know how to trade these funded accounts, and we will get into that at the start of the week so that we can show y'all live on the market how we build a 50K account, or you feel me, how we build one of these accounts up and pass them and get them into the funded stage. But yeah, other than that, that's all you really need to know how to get into this stuff, is having this. I guess we can go over the indicators For our indicators, we have ICT kill zones and pivots. These are all just regular settings. I left them all the same, but basically it shows you guys the sessions, highs and lows. Yeah, just session highs and lows, I guess, basically. And then on our fair value gap sessions, those show us basically these higher time frame or more important fair value gap. On the 4 hour, like now we have this 4 hour fair value gap, and yeah, we broke out of the other one. So these are the best indicators for trading view chat. These are my favorite indicators, the ones that I've used the most, and the ones that you'll probably like the most too, the ones that are most helpful, because you don't want your chart to be full of just a bunch of random indicators. It's not worth it. So we went over that. Okay, also you're gonna need to go to this website chat called Forex Factory. Forex Factor. So this right here is going to show us what news we have for the week. So if it's right now like the weekend, Saturday or whatever, Sunday, I will go onto here and I will do Sunday through Saturday, right, for next week. Apply settings, and then it's gonna tell me all the news that we have for next week from Sunday, which this doesn't matter. I can actually filter. All we really care about is USD, and I guess we don't really care about yellow photo news, but we'll still mark it up. So Monday we have yellow photo news. I don't think those are gonna really do anything to the market. Tuesday, yellow photo news. Wednesday we have core PPI, which this should be pretty volatile on the market. And then we have FOMC Wednesday at 11 a.m. to basically 11:30. There's a FOMC press conference, so that's going to be very volatile. I don't know. We probably won't trade on. We'll probably just trade evals on Wednesday. We probably won't trade live. And then Thursday, unemployment claims, regular day. We're trading this. But yeah, basically this is where you're gonna go on to see how news is gonna look for the week that you're gonna be trading. Right? You want to plan ahead and be ready for the week. I'm thinking we're gonna be bearish. I'm thinking we're gonna break out a structure and come down into these. We'll see.
Blanco.
We'll see how market works though. Markets move in all types of ways. So, and markets always going up. So Blanco was popping. What's up with it? What's up with it? Yeah. So these are the three basically like apps, things that you want to, websites that you want to get onto when you're getting into this. This is going to be your prop firm, Apex, and I'm going to have a code in the description of the video, you feel me, so that y'all can get an 85% off code. And then we also have TradingView, which this is where we're going to be trading on. Once we get an account through Apex, it's going to be a TradeAvid account that you're going to connect to TradingView so that you can see your indicators and use your indicators on this account while you're taking trades. And then you want to have Forex Factory so you could see how the market's going to move, so you could pre-predict and have a narrative on where market wants to go for the week, and have a narrative on your buys. So other than the apps and the websites, like I said, you just need a computer and you need to lock in with the Discord, which is also going to be down in the description. And yeah, just take action, and that's all I can say for this video, how to get started, you feel me, or what you need to get started. Next video we're gonna get into like actually the strategy and how to take the strategy. It's probably gonna be like a little 5 episode boot camp. I'm trying to keep this shit like simple as possible so you guys don't overcomplicate anything, you feel me. So at the end of the day, true results, you feel me, we show real results over here. And yeah, let's get it, man. Episode 2. Catch you on episode 3, bootcamp.